Hey guys! So when I was a kid growing up, my mom would make a holiday potpourri. And it's something that I've shown you guys before, but I'm just starting to make mine, so I wanted to show you again. As a kid, I always knew the holidays were coming when I would start, smelling this stuff in the house. And now with my family and my friends, they now know it when I start making it. They're like, the holidays are coming and we're not ready. But it always smells amazing. So this is my fall version. Tailor make it. Make it your own, which is what's so cool about this recipe. So what I do is I'll make a batch, and as it, evaporates and the water gets lower, each day when I want to reuse it, I'll just re-add water and there it is again. And it usually keeps for a few days, which is great. Okay, so check it out. Whole cinnamon sticks. So I'll pop in 2 of those into 4 cups of water in here. Cloves. I also love whole cloves, but I only have ground. Again, just like use what you have, make it easy. Allspice. I have the ground version, so I'm just gonna use this. So I love using vanilla bean, whole vanilla bean, but also you can totally use vanilla extract because I feel like a lot of us have that in our pantry versus this. But I have this, so I'm gonna use this because it's so much more pungent. But all the little vanilla bean seeds are inside, so I'm gonna slice it so they can get out. Okay, so now all the vanilla bean seeds can come out in the water. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Even though I did the cinnamon sticks, I'm still gonna do a little bit of the powdered cinnamon as well. I'm also gonna add in a few orange slices. Sometimes if I make this after I cook fish or I make something that kind of makes your house smell a little bit, lemon is a really great neutralizer and it helps neutralize smell. For this, since I really want those fall autumny vibes, I'm gonna do some orange. So we're just gonna let this start to simmer and then our potpourri is ready. This beautiful potpourri steam, this is the magic. So now what I'll do is I'll just walk this around my house in all the rooms and I'll like tuck it into like all the little corners. You would be shocked at how much the smell stays in those rooms. If you know where your intake is in your house, where it like sucks in the air for your AC and stuff like that, sometimes I'll put this on like a hot pad to protect the floor and just let the intake suck this in and my whole house will smell like a beautiful fall potpourri. My little witch's brew here. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. So I'll literally walk this around and then just kind of keep it on my stove on simmer and just let that smell happen. And then when I'm done, I'll cap it and just stick it on the back of my stove. So then tomorrow or later in the day when I want to redo it again, just fill it up with a little bit of water, get it going, and then walk this around your house again. It's so beautiful. I also find it's way more reasonable than the potpourri you're gonna go out and buy. It doesn't have a fake smell like potpourri you might buy in a store. It's not perfumey, it's all these beautiful natural smells. So I hope you guys like it. Cool, let me know. I always love hearing from you.